Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally, where you will find all the secret tips to keep yourself fit, glowing and healthy. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Gluten is a specific type of protein, but the kind of protein that you won't find in meat or eggs. It is this protein that gives bread its chewy texture and also provides elasticity to baked goods. Gluten is found primarily in wheat, rye, and barley. Going gluten free means avoiding these grains. A gluten free diet is essential for those with gluten allergies or celiac disease, a condition which causes intestinal damage when gluten is eaten. Today in this video, I will tell you the easy and fast gluten-free recipes to make at home. A very recent study conducted by researchers from the Harvard University suggests that you don't need to avoid gluten unless you have celiac disease or a serious allergy. If you decide to do so as a lifestyle choice, it may lead to deficiencies and also risk of diabetes as you are consuming less fiber, they assert. Tips to cook a gluten-free meal. When it comes to cooking up a gluten-free meal, there are few important things that you must keep in mind. A gluten-free lunch can be made like any other meal. You just need to remember no wheat, no rye, no oats and no barley. If you are making any Indian meal, replace your chapati with brown rice, red rice or make gluten-free chapati with ragi or maize flour. That is makkai ki atta. If you are cooking a Chinese meal, avoid noodles and use rice instead, which is gluten-free. And for a continental lunch, replace bread with quinoa, risotto or gluten-free pasta. You should also avoid hing, soy sauce, vinegar and any other store-bought masalas and sauces unless you know they are gluten-free. Now, let's get started with easy and fast gluten-free recipes to make at home. Khana Pakana Gluten-Free. Amaranth Tikkis. Amaranth is an amazing green to use. It has higher mineral content, more calcium, iron, phosphorus and most importantly manganese than most other vegetables and more digestible proteins than wheat. These tikkis are easy to make and perfect to carry in your lunchbox. Ragi Roti. Ragi is rich in calcium and gluten-free and can be easily used to make chapatis. Fill it up with chopped seasonal veggies. This Indian bread is made with ragi flour, carrots and mild spices. Can be your lunch recipe along with a sabzi of your choice, or you can also serve ragi roti with chutney, dahi or pickle. Sabudane ki khichdi. Another lovely gluten-free ingredient that is often used during the Navratri fasting season. But why should we have to restrict it only to festivities? Sabudana is available year-long and can easily transform into this wholesome khichdi for lunch. Avial with red rice. Avial is a traditional South Indian dish from Kerala, light summery stew with lots of veggies cooked in coconut oil and mustard seeds, served with the traditional southern red rice. This could be your ideal meal on a hot day. Mushroom brown rice. Brown is a healthier alternative to your regular white rice and it retains all the essential nutrients in the bran which are lost due to processing. This easy rice dish needs only 30 minutes and is full of flavor. Buckwheat flour dosa or kuttuka atta dosa. Ingredient that is commonly used during Navratris. Buckwheat or kuttu is also gluten-free. You can use it to make this quick dosa for a South Indian lunch. Here, the filling is not your usual masala aloo, but one that is made with arbi. Green chili and mango risotto. Risotto can be a good break from the usual stuff you eat for lunch. Rice rolled in assorted vegetables, herbs, and flavors, garnished with an interesting mooli and raw mango salad. This one is perfect for summer as it full of the tangy flavor raw mangoes. Maize flour flatbread with potato stuffing. Makke ki paratha aloo wala. A popular North Indian dish, Aloo ka paratha is a quintessential recipe made in almost every meal from breakfast to dinner in many Indian homes. This one here is made with maize flour, a gluten-free flour popular during the winter. You can have your favorite aloo parathas made with maize flour or makke ki atta without compromising on the taste and savor, along with an accompaniment of your choice. Now, ragi dosa. Quick, easy, and delicious, this dosa is a must try apart from being gluten free. Ragi dosa contains good amounts of fiber and is a rich source of iron, calcium, and other minerals. Vegan zucchini pasta. One such delicious and healthy dish is gluten free vegan zucchini pasta. Sounds interesting, right? The recipe is not only gluten free but is also weight loss friendly. Chicken quinoa biryani, a protein rich meal that will keep you full till dinner. This biryani is made with quinoa and juicy chicken chunks. Quinoa is known to be high of fiber and low on calories. While it keeps you full for long, this chicken quinoa biryani is mildly flavored and is perfect for a light lunch. Jawar tacos with spicy chicken filling. Bored of your regular menu? Try these interesting Tex-Mex tacos that are made from scratch with jawar flour and are loaded with a spiced chicken filling. Apart from being absolutely gluten-free, a cup of jawar has a whopping 22 grams of protein and is a powerhouse of other essential vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Do we need any more reason to try this excellent jawar taco recipe? Going gluten free doesn't mean you have to give up on your favorites. Just tweak and experiment in the kitchen and you never know, you may lead with a masterpiece of your own. Do share your gluten free recipes with me in the comment sections below. Also, if you have liked this video, please do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are interested in gluten free diet. Subscribe to my YouTube channel named Glow Naturally and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an interesting video from my channel. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Take care. See you soon in my next video.